Hello fellas, we have something exotic here. It's a HILTI charger, and this one just not showing any live signs. Then turn it on. I plug it in and it's no light here. I can try to remove the cable, so it's nothing. Okay, first of all, unplugging it, and I believe that we have the screws here underneath these rubbers. Yep. Okay, let's check. First thing what we can see, we have the corrosion here. That's not good, and of course we have a lot of dust here, but I want to check the fuse itself and the cord. Let's begin from the cord. Good. The brown wire is good. The fuse is no good, so probably we have a short circuit here somewhere in the board. And okay, we have the big MOSFET here, and we have some humidity, so I need to take the control board out and check. Maybe I will find some short circuit. Of course, we can just change the fuse and try to turn it on, but maybe we will make the situation worse by doing that. One more screw. Okay, what can we see here? We can see that we have a really bad corrosion, and something exploded here. We have a dust here. Now I can see something, but really not everything. And okay, maybe I will make some measurements on some cap. I don't have the short on cap, I have short here. No short here, no short here, no, nope, nope. Okay, so basically I think we can try to change the fuse. I will push the fuse out. Okay, have the new fuse. I can test it. Yeah, it's a good fuse. It's have continuity. So just putting the new fuse in the place of the old one. We will cut the legs later. cutting the fuse legs. Okay, now I will put the charger in the housing, because if it will explode inside of the housing, not in mines or something. Okay, and now I will turn it on. Okay, what we have here, do you see? We have the green light. So that's a very good news for us. We need to clean the PCB better from the water damage. You can do that in the ultrasonic cleaner and so on. I will just clean it a little bit more and assemble this, and this is working. I don't know, I think you don't need to see the assemble. It's a easy fuse replace. Thank you for watching, and bye.